What's up, everybody? Scott here. Wanted to show you this 3-in-1 avocado slicer that my wife and I have to be able to slice open our avocados as we eat them a lot. This tool is super helpful. So this end right here, this kind of knife end right here helps you cut it open. Basically, cut the avocado in half and then use this end to scrape out the pieces of avocado. And as you can see, it kind of cuts them pretty evenly, which is very nice. Just super helpful tool. You got this nice rubber grip, silicone grip, whatever you want to call it, handle there. And then you got this middle piece right here to help you take out the seed that is in the middle. And then we always stick this in the dishwasher to clean it. But love using this tool. There's how the slices came out. Cleaned out that half. I'd already cleaned out another half, but just wanted to show you this 3-in-1 avocado slicer that we really love using. It is a super helpful tool for us.